स्मार्ट सिटीच्या नावाखाला सरकारान पणजेची केल्ली हालत पळयत जाल्यार पावसाळ्यात पणजेत भोंवपाक फेरी बोट लागतली आनी सरकारान ही फेरी बोट घेवची अशें म्हणीत तृणमूल काँग्रेसीच्या त्राजन डिमेलोन सरकाराचेर फोग काडला। राजधानीच्या जाल्ल्या आवतिकाये खातीर पणजेकारांक तशेंच हेर लोकांक त्रास जावपाक लागल्यात। उद्देगांक गिरायक कमी येवपाक लागलां अशें त्राजन म्हणटा।
When one goes to Panaji, one can see the disaster. Do not know which side to go, which side to come out. If a sick person is being taken, is in total trouble. All the businesses throughout Panaji have suffered and are continue to suffer tremendous losses. That if you go to see the Panaji City Corporation, the Panaji MLA, they have washed their hands out. Leading businessmen have to approach the Chief Minister for all this. Chief Minister keeps on giving instructions that before March 31st everything should have been over. Well, it is over. Everything is going on. The CEO is come on record to say that the drains are clogged and there are going to be problems during the monsoons. So this is, you are expecting all this. And after expecting, what is the remedy? TMC strongly believes and recommends to this government to please bring in motored boats to ply and ferry people during the monsoons in Panaji. Even paddle boats could be brought and hired them out. The government named the corporation. Imagine Panaji smart city. We'll see how smart they are. They only told you to imagine it. You are not going to get it. And when we are talking about touts, this government, I could say, has earned a distinction of having the title to be a street smart government who is using funds and public